Hey yo people, welcome to a video about OSINT cybersecurity, a open source intelligence. It's the way, intelligent way to search in internet about information of people, companies or whatever. Okay, but in this case we are going to perform a OSINT process to wherever a guy of the most of the wanted in the FBI by the FBI. Most of these all of these are cyber criminal. Okay, so we are going to choose wherever guy. There are a lot of China's guy, Russian hackers, wherever, just for test the tool. Okay, the purpose of this video is show you tools that allow you to execute OSINT. So in this case I am going to choose Rusbe Sabahi. Okay, we are going to choose this guy, but first let's go to show who am I. I'm a cybersecurity company that allows execute many things, ethical hacking, pen testing, and more. So if you want to learn about hardware hacking, car hacking, exploit development, binary exploitation, I recommend you to follow my social networks, and if you to ask me where everything, please proceed. So yeah, we are going to talk about the OSINT process, the OSINT for people. In this part we are trying to find information about a cyber criminal wanted by the FBI, about OSINT for companies. So let's go to start with Google Dorks. Google Dorks is an intelligent way to find in Google. For example, you don't just put random words, you put a search into the, for example, into the URL. That in URL have to be this word, that the text, the body, the site, this is the domain, the file type, you specify. So this is a very intelligent way to search in Google, and these Google Doors are using in OSINT. So let's go to find, for example, cameras on live, the famous attack that there are many cars on live. For example, in URL. Yeah, let's go to see this camera. There are many more cameras, but it's a way to find cameras on live that isn't protected for purpose to access to see. What the hell is this? This is I guess that 3 cars or 3 bots. Yeah, so this is the way that you can access to the cameras. There are many more cameras with this view control. For example, let me just see until here. I guess I get a mouse. No, I have this and more. Yeah, for example, if you want to find DNIs or IDs of a country, of a university, for example, I use this Google door. For example, I am going to put here a university from my country, apn.edu.ec. I'm going to find IDs. Of course, we have here many information with cédulas or IDs. In Spanish is cédulas. Are public information. Here we have the electronic digital information. Yeah, here we have one ID. Okay, also here we have more IDs, and also here we have more IDs, and more IDs. Okay, and we have more. Whoa, It's very crazy. It's very dangerous. This information don't have to stay here. Let's go to another. For example, for credit cards, if we search, for example, with this one, let me put here. I guess that it doesn't have with the. Yeah, here we have credit card information. Wow, this is very dangerous, man. We have here the credit card number, expiration, CVV. Very dangerous. So this is the way to execute research. Search if thinking something with Google Dorks. Let's go to try with this one to find password. And yeah, of course we have many files with, I guess, with password. Password. Oh, also here we have in this GitHub repository. So let's go to C. Let's go to C. We have here password. Let's go to see there. Here, I guess that here we have also password. Yeah. Here we have password. More password. And also here we have password. OID. Oh shit. Password. Many password. So this is also very good for if you want to find password of a company if you are in real pen testing. Okay. Basically, you have to execute OSINT. OSINT is very useful in pen testing also for file information about the target. Okay, so let's go to search about this. Okay, operating system. If you do you want operating system that has already installed previously with a lot of OSINT tools, I recommend you OSINT tools, I recommend you Huron, and I recommend you Buscador 2.0. Okay, these are this Linux distributions, so no problem. Most of the tools that I am going to use in this video are installed in OSINT tools, for example, Matego, Foca, and more. OSINT framework is a page that has many topics divided for perform a research of something. For example, username. If you want to find information, if you have the username, if you want to find information, if you just have the email, you have many topics here. All topics, telephone numbers, public record, business, instant message, domain names, and more. So I recommend you. So let's go to start to find information about this guy. This cyber criminal. I choose a random cyber criminal just for tests. The tool. So yeah, let's go to copy that here, but fits. Let's go to see who is this guy. Who is this guy? Rosbe Sabahi. Rosbe Sabahi is 9 Iranians working. Okay. Rosbe Sabahi is wanted for his alleged involvement in criminal activities, including obtaining unauthorized access to computer systems, stealing proprietary data from those systems, and selling stolen data to Iranian customers, such as Iranian universities and the Iranian government. So he was contractor for the Magna Institute. Wow. Let's go to see what is this Magna Institute. It's a private government contractor by the Islamic Republic of Iran that performed this work for the Iranian government. Wow. This government is very dangerous. At the behest of the Islamic Revolutionary, who are called victims of the chance, include approximately 144 universities in the United States, 176 foreign universities, and 21 countries, 5 federal. Wow. So basically, he theft data from university, and he sold this data to the Iran universities, and there are many universities. So Magma Institute is the group of hackers. These hackers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 hackers. Okay, so what is this tool? This tool, Carrot tool, organize your research results in topics, organize your research in topics with an installed overview of what are available. You will quickly find what you are looking for. So basically, these are the topics organized. For example, here we have 5 docs about Magna Institute, 7 docs about Hunter University, 2 docs about that. It's information about this. I just put the name of the cyber criminal, and for example, let's go to click here, and let's go to click here, and we have information about these guys. For example, in this case, is Robert Sabasi 24. Perfect. If we click here, we have the same, but with a tree map. Hundreds of universities: Magna Institute, Balaguer University, Iran Criminals, Iran, Triad University of Medical Science, Charges Iranian Crew. Let's go to click here. So basically, this is the OSINT process to find information about whatever person. Yeah, this is the same. The US is charging Iran for hacking major American universities on behalf of the Iranian government. Wow, very danger, very danger, very danger. So yeah, let's go to continue with the next tool. The next tool, these all tools, these are URLs you can use for find information about. Just for example, with the name, with the email, with the phone, with the address. For example, let's go to use eTools and many more tools right now. Remember, I have to copy this. Rosbe Sabahi. Let's go to if we find information. Yeah, we have information about Rosbe Sabahi. Let's go to see open sanctions. One more. 9 Iranian hackers. 999. 9 Iranian hackers are very famous. Rosbe Sabahi person, birth date, bro, posts, last chains, last processed, first scene. First scene? Wow. A color, birthday. So right now we have the birthday. We have more information. A sort link. What is the sort link? Sanction search. Sanction shares and lists. Okay. Okay. Office of Range Access Control. First thing. Wow. I don't know what happened if I click here. What information I have. Source ID. Okay. So let's go to use more tools. The purpose of this video is to show you the tools. It's not relevant if we find of no information about this cyber criminal. Web, I mean, for search information. Also about this. Previously I use web. Me. Rosbe Sabahi. Yeah, we have more information about this guy. Let's go to, we have information about the Magna Institute. Yeah, wow. Magna Institute. We have here country, we have here the person of interest. Here are our guy. Wow, it's a very dangerous group, man. Okay, let's go to try one more tool. Intellects. This is a very useful tool that I have been using in pen testing for search about data leaks. For example, you enter the domain or something like that. But in this case, we don't have the email, the IP. But let's go to try. We don't lose nothing. Intelligence is for find password leaks. If you paid, you have the password leaks invalid research terms. Let's go to put this arroba I don't know, gmail.com just for this. No fun. Okay, just for this, let me just make. The hackers are very intelligent, so there are the reason that they don't have information about the cyber criminals don't have information, confidential information exposed in the internet. They erase, they remove everything. But no problem. Let's go to volume. This is for if you have a cell phone and you want to cell phone number and you want to get information just from the cell phone. For example, here, this is for find cell phones. But I guess that this another tool is for find information just from the cell phone. For example, I guess that I have. Yeah, this is a tool. In the next slide, you have a cell phone. You can find information just from the cell phone. Find names, emails, and more. For example, here you can put whatever number and you are able to get information. For example, address just with the self. It's very interesting tool. Okay, yeah. What more magis is interesting here because there are many people that use social network and share their location in social network. For example, it's very common to share the location in Strava. Strava is application for record the location that you travel in bicycle, if you run. For example, I'm going to show you this Strava heat map. Is a map that has all the travelers that do all the users. These lines are travel that I recorded for are made for the users. So that's the reason that is for me it's dangerous because it's not confidential, because here you have the photographic, also the user photographic, the user profile. For example, let's put, for example, Colombia, Bogota, Colombia. Yeah, we have here lines that the people travel in your bicycles, running. Yeah, it's very dangerous also. A social researcher, for example, for social researcher is for find social networks from a username. For example, user. For example, let's go to put John Smith again. Let's go to copy Sabahi. You can find here social networks just with the name of a person. For example, let's put here Rosbe Sabahi. What is the next slide? Yeah, this is very interesting because what is the process? The process is from the media you getting metadata information or more. For example, if you can download a TikTok video of the victim of the or of the target, okay, and you can convert this video to images, for example, with this, with many tools. You are able to also download TikTok videos with this tool. For example, this tool, let's go to open here. There are many John Smith. Let's go to search about this guy. Search trouble. Let's go to close. So you put here the TikTok video, and this tool allow you download, and after that you execute intelligent process to this image that you get. Okay, image optimization, for example, you can use this tool for image optimization of the image that you get of the videos. Also geolocation, you upload here in the wherever picture, and this tool is able to guess the location. Okay, let's enhance. Now the hour of the day with the show the shadow of the sun. For example, if you have a picture and in the picture you see a shadow, you are able to calculate the exact hour of the day with the shadow. If you see the shadow, the sun shadow, you are able here to calculate. So that's the reason that you don't have to upload many things of your life in your social network images, because with OSINT process we can find many information more. Yeah, OSINT for companies. For example, I recommend you Maltego. Maltego is an open source tool that allow you to find information from, for example, from a person, or from an email address, from an alias, from a domain. So let me show you, if we have time, let me show you Maltego. You just sudo apt install Maltego and you have Maltego. You create a free account and you use the Maltego community edition. Okay, yeah, this is Maltego. This is very useful because in Maltego you have a graph relation with relations. Also you can execute OSINT in the infrastructure with from an IP address, or for example, let's go to put a new here, and it's very easy. You just to pick up one entity to the graphical part. For example, let's go to search about a company or an alias. New graph, please. Yeah, let's go, for example, a person. Yeah, you can here put the name of the person, click right, and you put all transforms here are basically get information from the data that you import. For example, the name, the alias, and more. For example, an alias here, for example, I don't know an alias. What is a very common alias? Smith 32. I don't know if I am going to get it successful with this one. For example, let's go to phone numbers, and the Maltego executed this research. For companies is the domain. For example, the internet domain. I'm going to put a university from this country, and let's go to put here, I'm going to put play in all transform. For example, files, whatever file. Let's go to put here more info about it. Quiz. Let's go to put info about the NX servers. Let's go to put info here about the email within properties. Let's go to choose here info about the phones, maybe. One more. URLs properties. One more. Files office extension .text, for example. Yeah, in this case I don't have many success with this, but you can put wherever domain and you are able to recover all of this information. Okay. And yeah, so let's go to advance with another tool that is Foca. Foca is a tool that allow you to recover all the documents of our organization. For example, you put a domain or you put also a name. Foca allow you to recover documents and execute a metadata process to get the metadata of these documents. It's very similar to Exif tool. Exif tool, the people that don't know Exif tool is a tool, free and open source software for reading, writing, and manipulating image, audio, video, and also get the metadata of the file. For example, here we have the metadata. I'm going to show you the metadata. Yeah, this is an example of the metadata. For example, in the metadata we have the image description. Maybe in some cases you get the location, the coordinates, the name of the people that create this file, and more. Some localization. Let's. Yeah. Hunting email address. For example, if you have the domain, you can get all the address of this domain, for example, of a company. You can try the free trial version here, but in resume you put the domain, and this tool give you the emails of this company, of this domain. Email permutator, for example, this is a tool that allow you to create emails with high probability. For example, let's go to put email of the cyber criminal Rosbe. What is the tool? Here. Where is it? Here, and the last name Sabahi. Rosbe Sabahi. Nickname, I don't know. I need the domain. For example, domain, and let's go to Manda. I guess the Manda was the Mafna. I'm going to put just for test Mafna. And this tool create a lot of possibilities of the email of this guy. So after that you can copy this, and there are another tool to verify the emails. For example, this one, email verifier. That's the way that you can find the email of this cyber criminal. For example, let's go to just for test, copy one of these. For example, this we can .com verified email. This isn't live my gist. I don't know if the tool allow me correct. It will be very crazy. See, it's not be valid. Oh, okay, perfect. I guess that the Mafna domain.com don't exist. Okay, yeah. So that's all for today about OSINT. I guess that you learn a lot with these tools. So thank you so much, and I see in another video about the OSINT. I like, man, OSINT, because you use OSINT in pen testing. You use OSINT, so I recommend you to become a crack guy in this topic. So thank you so much.